There are a number of ways of installing an app on your smart device. You can log on to your account, your Google account, and install through the Google Play Store, or you can go into your apps, scroll down to the Play Store, which is this one, click on it, type in the name of the app that you're looking for. We're going to put in online training. Click on online training, and here you have lots of online training apps. We're going to install the edX one. Click on edX. Again, we can see that it has a rating of 4.6. There's been 74,000 reviews. Use up 5 megabytes of space, more than 5 megabytes actually. Click on install. So it's installing the app on your phone. Again, it's always advisable to use a Wi-Fi connection to your internet provider. Click on open, and there's your app. Also, once it's installed, you'll notice the app is like the icon appears like that. Or if you scroll through your tools or your apps that are installed, there we have in alphabetical order, and you see the edX app. You can click on it. There you go.